Hey, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, Proximity Marketing Lifestyle Royalty Affiliate, and I'm here to announce to you that the Royalty Notification Network is live, up and running, and we are getting analytics. Our ads are being seen in the news feeds of major apps such as Facebook, Instagram, CNN, Yahoo, and many, many more. It's a very exciting time here. I'm excited, my affiliates excited, my customers excited because we are now getting much bigger results for our neighbors. Um, no more guessing if someone saw the notification that you placed on their phone. No more guessing games. Um, they're in the Facebook app. They will see your notification if they are within range of your gem. Without question, Royalty is guaranteeing a minimum of 500 impressions per month. That comes for $29. You can purchase more impressions. You can purchase an additional 1,000 for additional $6 a month. Um, so not only are we providing you with quality ads for your business that are being seen, we're guaranteeing you that they will be seen. We're also giving them to you at a discount price. You cannot beat that. Also, the power of the software here is that you can create ads for hundreds of networks in one location in your upline app, in your back office. It's very quick, very efficient. You can upload pictures straight from your phone to your ad and do it that way. You can do it in a minute, in less than 5 minutes, and come up with some copy. Um, as long as you fall within the guidelines of these apps, your ad will be approved and it will become live. And people will see your business. They will see your opportunity. And like I said, if you've done a good job, they will click on your ad, take a look at your opportunity. No more guessing games. Royalty has really stepped up big time with this Royalty Notification Network. It's exciting times, and I'm very happy. I always knew that Royalty was ahead of the curve, ahead of the game, leading the way in this proximity marketing niche, and we have not folded. We've actually grown, gotten better. Um, at the beginning of this month, a lot of companies went out of business because they were not able to evolve. You had to be able to evolve in business, and a lot of companies were not able to do that. I'm so very happy to say that we were, and we actually came up with a better product, I believe. Um, we're not asking people to download an app from someone that they not know, that they're not familiar with, so that we can market to them. We are putting our ads where they already are, using companies and name brands and brands that they are already comfortable with when we are placing our ads in front of them. It's the equivalent of placing an ad during a Super Bowl. That's the only thing I compare it to right now. You're getting that type of exposure. If you want that type of exposure for your business, get in contact with me, Shawn. You can reach me at 410-929-3390. I'll be glad to have a conversation with you, explain everything to you in more details. Um, if you're just excited and you want this for your business, I'll place the links down in the description of this video. And come on board. You can get started for those $98 down, $29 a month. And you can have what we have, which is the best technology in the field right now. Um, we're placing ads on phones and news feeds, not in notification bars anymore. We're placing high def ads, full ads on prospects' phones for $29 a month, for as low as $29 a month. That's very powerful. It's very powerful for your business. I suggest if you got a budget for your business, this fits it. Come on, don't hesitate. Come get it and get started. Um, I'll be happy to train you up, show you how to do it, show you how to be effective with it, and let's go. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Royalty Affiliate. You can reach me, 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time today. Also, if you like the video, give me a like, share, subscribe. You can reach me on Facebook at Shawn Cole Enterprises. Um, have a great day. Thank you for your time.